This 2021 Forest River Surveyor Legend 296 QBLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 10 LP detector, leveling jacks, awning, oven, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, smoke detector, air conditioning, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Surveyor Legend 296 QBLE is 6,806 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.